Plant FAQs, Philodendron Patriciae. Philodendron Patriciae, unveiling the beauty and care of this stunning climber. Hello, plant enthusiasts. I'm Ferb Vu, and today we delve into the world of the captivating Philodendron Patriciae. This botanical gem, native to Colombia's Chaco region, has stolen hearts with its cascading, leathery leaves and impressive growth potential. If you're considering welcoming a Philodendron Patriciae into your home, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will unveil its secrets, from care tips to its unique characteristics. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is a Philodendron Patriciae? The Philodendron Patriciae is an epiphytic climber, meaning it thrives by attaching itself to other plants or structures in its natural habitat. Discovered by botanist Thomas Croat in 2010, he aptly named it after his wife Patricia, a testament to its remarkable beauty. What are the Philodendron Patriciae's defining features? This philodendron boasts stunning, elongated, ovate lanceolate leaves. Imagine a deep green, matte surface that matures into a captivating, undulating texture. As the plant reaches maturity, these leaves can reach a staggering length of over 125 centimeters and a width exceeding 28 centimeters. How big does a Philodendron Patriciae get? The Philodendron Patriciae is considered moderately fast-growing for a climbing philodendron. With proper care, it can produce up to 18 inches, 45 centimeters, of thick stem in just under 7 years from seed. Given its climbing nature, providing support is crucial for larger plants. Think moss poles or sturdy, well-anchored structures to mimic its natural environment. What kind of light does a Philodendron Patriciae need? Think dappled sunlight. In its natural habitat, the Philodendron Patriciae thrives under the filtered light of the rainforest canopy. Replicating this environment indoors is key. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. Opt for bright, indirect light for optimal growth. How often should I water my Philodendron Patriciae? The key to watering your Philodendron Patriciae is finding the balance between moist and soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is a common culprit for root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. What kind of soil does a Philodendron Patriciae prefer? A well-draining, airy potting mix is ideal for your Philodendron Patriciae. Opt for a mixture that includes ingredients like orchid bark, perlite, and cocoa coir. This combination allows for proper drainage while retaining enough moisture for the plant to thrive. Does Philodendron Patriciae need fertilizer? While not strictly necessary, a balanced fertilizer can give your Philodendron Patriciae a growth boost. During the active growing season, spring and summer, a diluted fertilizer applied once a month can be beneficial. However, always follow the instructions on the fertilizer and avoid over-fertilizing, which can damage the roots. How do I propagate Philodendron Patriciae? Stem cuttings are the preferred method for propagating Philodendron Patriciae. Choose a healthy stem with at least one node, the bump where leaves and aerial roots emerge. Cut below the node and remove any lower leaves. Plant the cutting in a pot with your preferred well-draining mix, and keep it moist but not soggy. With proper care, new growth should emerge from the node in a few weeks. Is Philodendron Patriciae toxic? Unfortunately, like many philodendrons, Philodendron Patriciae contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be toxic if ingested. Keep this plant out of reach of children and pets. Philodendron Patriciae can be somewhat challenging to find, especially at large commercial retailers. However, with the increasing popularity of rare plants, it's becoming more readily available from specialized plant nurseries and online vendors. What are the common problems with Philodendron Patriciae? Here are some potential issues you might encounter. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or insufficient humidity. Yellow leaves. This could be a sign of overwatering, nutrient deficiency, or insufficient light. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are common culprits. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Philodendron Heterocraspedon versus Patriciae. For beginner, Philodendron Heterocraspedon presents glossy green leaves that are sleek and elongated. In contrast, Philodendron Patriciae features undulating leaves. Philodendron Heterocraspedon demonstrates a notably swifter growth rate and can thrive in low-light settings. Conversely, Philodendron Patriciae exhibits a slightly higher resilience to drought conditions. Philodendron Patriciae versus Esmeraldense. This one's a real showstopper. The leaves are massive, reaching out like emerald waves. They have a beautiful texture, kind of wavy and crinkled, and the undersides have a hint of red when they're young. Philodendron Esmeraldense grows much faster than Patriciae for me, putting out new leaves constantly. It can be a bit trickier to manage the sheer size of the foliage, but it's incredibly rewarding to watch it unfurl its majestic fronds. By following these simple care tips and addressing any potential issues promptly, you can ensure your Philodendron Patriciae thrives and becomes a stunning focal point in your home. Remember, happy planting!